here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can enable recording microphone sound, you can change picture definition, like you can select like pre-installed bitrate and resolution, or you can like change it manually. So you can set up resolution and also bitrate. You can also record front camera video, you can show screen touches, you can select video coding format, and yeah. So in order to start recording, you just tap on this button once, tap continue, agree, allow. So this kind of a menu starts. From here you can also access like sound settings. So to start recording, just tap on the red button, and after that recording starts. So as you can see here, I have this front camera view. You can also see like where I touch on the screen. So you can pause recording by tapping the pause button, then you can like play it again and start recording. And to stop recording like at all, tap on the red button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called Screenshots. And here it is. That recording starts. So as you can see here, I have this front camera, and from here you can share, favorite, edit or delete your recording, and some other things from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.